Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm back with another video to show you something really important that you should apply from today in your Google Ad campaigns. So I'm in one of the client accounts, and what I want to show you is in campaign level. As you can see, there are a lot of campaigns running. I don't want to go into the display campaigns or any other type of campaign. What I want to show you is the search campaigns and why we did so many campaigns instead of just one. So really important thing, if you've got categories like general, immigration, conveyancing, or personal injury or accident, just categorize them in campaign level. I'm saying don't do one campaign and break them down into different ad groups, and I'll tell you why. So let's go to this immigration bit, and let me go to the search terms. So search terms is actually the place where Google show you that these are the keywords your ads are being displayed for. Now you might ask, I'm already adding the keywords. I'm telling Google that run my ads for these keywords. Okay, so that's kind of true, but it's not entirely the thing that's happening, So you add the keywords, Google takes the keywords, and it actually starts showing for these keywords and the related keywords. So these are the related keywords, closely related, loosely related, but these are all the keywords that your ads are being showed for. So what you need to do is you need to either add them after seeing data. So let's say this keyword was not included in my campaign, but it actually brings conversions. So it got, let's say for example, it got 100 clicks and it got 4 conversions. So 4% is the conversion rate, or 100 clicks or 20 conversions, so 20%. Wow, super huge. So just add it to the campaign. But if it's getting clicks and you can see this has got a lower intent than your other keywords, just take it and mark it as a negative keyword. That helps, right? So what I wanted to show you is if we don't break them down in campaign level like we did here, what's going to happen is if you go to search term of that campaign, you're going to be in huge mess. I'll tell you why. You've got general, if you've got immigration, you've got conveyancing, you've got accident, and all sorts of other ad groups, and they're going to start showing your ad for all these different kind of keywords, and the algorithm can be easily confused. So you don't want to confuse the algorithm. You don't actually want to confuse anybody. So what I'm saying is if you've got enough budget, you've got like 5,000 euro budget, just break them down into 5 different campaigns for 1,000 euros. That's the best thing you could ever do to your Google ad campaign. So break them down into 5 campaigns, and the search terms will be well optimized, and it will be easy for you to take the keywords or mark them as negative keywords. So this gets easier. You don't have to spend months on optimizing the campaign and making it, like, taking it to the best level. So you just spend 2 or 3 months to well optimize the campaign and run it in autopilot. So that's all I want to show you, why we actually break down the campaigns. Also, if you think about it, we always have like 3 or 4, maybe 3 ads under each ad group. So it gets like really huge. Like if you have 5 campaigns and each of them have like 2 or 3 ad groups, and each of the ad groups have got like 3 ads. So if you've got all in one campaign, it's going to be like hundreds of ads under the same campaign. So that's also not good for your campaign. So that's why we actually break them down into different campaigns if we've got the enough budget. And that's all I wanted to show you, and I'll be back with more videos like this. Hope this helps, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.